Hello everyone, friends. This is the Valor channel. Today I'll show you how to get Obsidian in Minecraft. Let me enter my world. Here. Perfect. For this, we'll need a bucket and lava. You can find it somewhere. It's not hard to find if you explore the world a bit. You can also just go down to a cave. It'll definitely be there. There. Next, we need a bucket of water. I'll take a lava bucket so we don't waste time looking for it in the video. So here we've found some lava. A bucket is crafted from 3 iron ingots. Now just pour water next to it. And there's obsidian. You can only mine it with a diamond or netherite pickaxe. So if you need to craft it, you'll need a workbench. Like this, 3 iron pieces. There. Then find water and collect it. That's it. This was Valor. Goodbye, everyone.